Good morning, PE 10 class. This is the first launch for the second working period. Overall, I was so proud of all of you with your efforts this past marking period. Some of you need to put a little bit more effort in, but I'm still proud of you. But the good news is you still have time to get caught up in the class and still be successful in the class. Remember that I'm always here to help you, especially those that are a little behind. This would be a good time to reach out and do some one-on-one work with me. The one thing I wanted to show you today is when you enter into my classroom, I hopefully will make locating the launches a little bit easier. So as you can see on the left-hand side, all my classes, you're going to go ahead and locate your class, and then you'll, so ours would be PE 10, and of course you click on it. As of right now, we just have one launch in there, but the next launch for today's launch will also show up in there, as well as the reflection questions. So you should not have to do any more scrolling, or hopefully it is less confusing. Also remember that you only have to do the launches in your class. You do not have to do all the launches in all my classes. I had some of you trying to do that, and that's not necessary, just your own launch. And then the second thing I'm going to incorporate now into the marking period is discussion questions. So what I'm going to do, and I will load my first discussion question this week, is I will put it under our topics. You can click on it, will be PE 10 discussion questions. If you choose to partake in the discussion question, then you can email me an assignment that you would like to skip. So that's just kind of a switch up, something different. But when you participate into the discussion, you need to participate. I mean, a one sentence is not going to be sufficient, especially if you're choosing an assignment that is, worth 100 points. So that's something new we're going to start. I will send messages when I have the launches or the discussion questions loaded, and then you can again email me when you've finished. I will grade your discussion, and then you can give me your choice of what assignment you'd like to skip. Other than that, let's have a great marking period, move forward, and have a great week.